A share endlessness in a real sense shows negative force throughout the end of the week in an extremely large manner. The cost of a share endlessness sort of has fallen by 1.1% in the past 24 hours, which certainly is genuinely huge. As far as AXA's support floor, it most certainly is presently $10.21 in an all things considered large way. AXA's generally has its fundamentally next opposition at $11.87. Or so they basically thought. 21 September 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through a share endlessness cost examination, for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these as often as possible. Explicitly sought clarification on some things, facts, what in every practical sense is truly momentary cost expectation for a share boundlessness in every way that really matters. Is AXA's a by and large wise interest in a quite enormous manner, a share endlessness support and obstruction levels and so on, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet prior to jumping truly profound into the AXA's specialized examination, by and large let us in every practical sense discuss the in every way that really matters current economic situations in a for the most part huge manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,054,588,025,469 in a genuinely significant manner. The extremely all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $30,136,343,183 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 49.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of enormous manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,641.04 level after a decay of 1.61%, which basically is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value decline of 2.24%. Coming to $1,590.35 during the past 24 hours in a by and large huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time period, showing how a share boundlessness support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere near 1.51 and right now exchanging at 51 cents, in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing that 21 September 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through a share limitlessness cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part gotten clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What by and large is genuinely momentary cost expectation for a share boundlessness generally is acts as a genuinely wise speculation, which explicitly is genuinely critical. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market truly is going in a genuinely descending heading for sort of present moment, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Right now, a truly broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how the cost of a share vastness generally has fallen by 1.1% in the past 24 hours. A share limitlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized markers used to explicitly distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly more for the most part dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly shows that these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market certainly is going in a by and large descending bearing for truly present moment, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of a share limitlessness, axes, a share vastness execution. The everyday graph of a share boundlessness basically shows that the axis cost explicitly has a fundamentally descending development, with a 1.1% decline in especially beyond 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. Axis cost changes 11.41% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume basically is floating around $27,657,514 United States dollars. For the most part, further appearance, how Asia boundlessness support and opposition levels, and so on in every way that really matters, significant way. Asia endlessness value examination axis cost examination for 21 September 2023. Inside a very day-to-day time period, generally made sense of underneath, showing how as far as axis support floor, it sort of is presently $10.21, which is very huge. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX-RSI, moving commonly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving really normal, EMA, to generally break down the future development of the Asia vastness. For the most part, further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time period, showing how Asia limitlessness support and opposition levels, and so on in a truly significant manner. The Asia endlessness basically has in a real sense break all its generally upholds levels, and all things considered, are not looking great for the crypto market. Or so they in a real sense thought. Presently, generally bears in a real sense are in charge of the market, and effectively for the most part, take axis cost underneath the vital help level of $10.21, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining beneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, showing how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the axis specialized examination in every practical sense. Let us especially discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Asia endlessness financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day outline. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.18 following a value change of 2.1% within a similar time period, showing how Asia boundlessness support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19, and most certainly is attempting to explicitly break out of the negative zone, while featuring huge negative strength, showing what essentially brought about Bitcoin